Today, 3 March, World Wildlife Day, a celebration of natural beauty and importance. World Wildlife Day is celebrated annual on March 3 to raise awareness about the diverse species of world flora and fauna across the globe. The United Nations General Assembly proclaimed the day on 20 December 2013 during its 16th season, recognizing the urgent need to protect wildlife and promote suitable conservation efforts. Since this day has become a global event, highlight the importance of the biodiversity and the role of wildlife in maintaining ecologically balance. Wildlife play a curricular role in maintaining the health of our planet, for pollution and seed dispersal to regularity ecosystem and providing natural resource. Flora and fauna contribute significantly to survive of all living beings. Unfortunately, human activities such as deforestation, poaching, habitat destruction and climate change have led to the rapid decline of many species. World Wildlife Day serves as a reminder of our duty to protect and conserve natural for future generation. Every year, World Wildlife Day is observed with a specific theme that addressing key issues related to wildlife conservation. This theme focuses on topics like endangered species protection, combating illegally wildlife trade, marine life conservation, and suitable use of a natural resource. The annual theme helps guide global decisions and initiatives aimed at preserving the rich biodiversity of our planet. Disparate effort of government, NGOs and environmental activities, wildlife conservation remaining a challenging task. Some of the major threats to wildlife including habitat dispersion, expanding in agriculture and industries activities have led to the loss of natural habitats for many species. Illegal wildlife trading, smuggling of animals and their bodies parts such as aviary fur and exotic pets continue to threaten species like elephant, tiger and rhinos. Climate change, rising temperatures, extreme weather conditions and changing ecosystem pose a senior threat to wildlife pollution, plastic waste, chemicals and water pollution have diversity effect on marine or terrestrial life. To addressing this issue, various international organizations, governments and communities work together to implement wildlife protection laws, establish national park and wildlife reservation and promote awareness campaigns. How can we contribute? Individuals can also play a significant role in protecting wildlife by supporting and donating to conservation organizations, avoiding products made from endangered species, reducing waste and adopting eco-friendly habits, spread awareness about the importance of wildlife conservation, participate in local wildlife protection program. Conclusion: World Wildlife Day is a curricular occasion to reflect on our responsibility toward the nature and the need for immediate action to protect the world's wild flora and fauna. By working together, we can ensure that future generations inhabit a planet rich in biodiversity, whether wildlife thrives in its natural habits. Let us all take a step toward a gathering healthy their world by embracing suitable practices and respecting the natural wonder that the surrounding us. Thank you.